Hey guys, now the purpose of today's video is to discuss how much money I've actually made contributing to stock photography. For the past 3 years, I've had three major stock accounts that I contribute to. There's Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Dreamstime. And each agency sets its prices for the images differently. Shutterstock at the end of last year changed its policies from paying contributors 25 cents an image to 10 cents an image. But even still, I'm making sales and generating revenue. My idea for stock photography is not something that you can live off of or something that you can pay the bills from, but something that builds over time. And then as time builds, you get a following and people start looking to see what you put up on your site. And for me, I want it to be more of a creative process than a commercial process. So I just take images that I like so far. I know I'll probably have to branch out and go to creating certain images for like certain, like an image for Easter, or image for Christmas, or image for Halloween. But right now, I'm just satisfied with just creating images that I like. As you can see, at this point right now, I'm not making a whole lot of money on this endeavor, but what is for me pleasing and gratifying and makes it all worthwhile, any effort that I place in it, is to see that somebody pays some money for an image that I've created. Like this image of the Mississippi, Vicksburg, Mississippi bridges. It's sold over 16, somebody downloaded 16 times. This sandcastle, somebody downloaded that 10 times. So that let me know that I do have some type of eye and I can see a scene and create an image that touches somebody else's soul like it touched mine when I created it. But like I say, I have 90 downloads here, $40.80 on Adobe Stock. I have like 18 downloads with $44.81, and I've sold a video on this which was like $24. You know, but here is the Vicksburg, Mississippi bridges, and it's sold 3 times on Adobe Stock. But these images is just the images that I saw around my hometown. Most of these are from my hometown. I do have some. This is like from Seattle. This is the video, and this is from Dallas. This is from Orlando. You know, but basically, I just take what I like. Dreamstime, I've only made $8. So total for the past 3 years, I think I made like $90, you know, but I'm not mad at that. It's okay, because it's one thing about it, guys. If photography is your love, and if you're here and if you've come to this channel expecting some revelation of photography skills, this isn't the place for you. This is for people who have been taking pictures, not realizing that doing so is their passion, and come late to the realization that photography is their passion, and don't know where to begin as far as equipment or even how to monetize their images. So what I'm gonna try to do is take you step by step through what I do in monetizing my images. And hopefully it'll give you some type of clue or some type of guide to help you along your way to either creating images that you love or selling them. Anyway.